neza ubu tuherereye mu mujyi wa Beijing ahazwi nko muri Chaoyang cyangwa se akarere ka Chaoyang. Hano rero hari kubera ibikorwa bitandukanye byo kwerekana umuco gakondo w'ahantu hatandukanye. Murabibona nanjye naserutse mu mukenyero. Hano rero hari gukorerwa ibirori bitandukanye, harimo kwerekana umuco wanyu binyuze mu myambarire, binyuze mu biryo, binyuze mu kubyina, binyuze mu bintu bitandukanye. Reka rero tugende turebe icyo abantu bari kubivugaho. Ese turasangamo n'abanyarwanda? Muze rero turebe uburyo isi ishobora guhuza abantu mu minota mike kandi twese tukamenyana mu gihe gito cyane. Ngwino tujyane. This is Kenya.
Welcome to Kenya. Karibu Kenya.
Wow, this is good.
You want to see this?
Yeah, I want to see this.
This is for ladies, you know.
Can you just put on me?
Yes, you can. Try.
Oh my God. Sorry.
There it is with you.
Hey.
You take photo.
Yeah.
For us.
Okay. You.
This is only found in Kenya, you know.
Okay.
Made by our Masai women. Very special.
This is Kenya.
Club of the elderly.
I curse you.
No, it's not for cussing. This is for protection, for security, for strength.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Cameraman, can you please give me a picture with this beautiful drone? Here I'm at the side of Gambia, you can see. So I'd like to know more about Gambia. So let me approach this lady from Gambia. So it's mostly warm. My bride on the wedding day, traditional wedding in Gambia. So you can have it. These are made from sea cells. Okay. Wow. Hello. Hello, Pakistan. I know you are right. Pakistan rice. Yeah, we use to buy Pakistan rice. Are you okay to take a I feel like in Rwanda we are the one who have good coffee.
No, this is a real Arabica sea coffee.
Oh.
A specialty coffee.
Oh my gosh. So the aroma is chatty.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. I will come to Ethiopia very soon.
Please. Yeah.
So my name is Nagara from Rwanda. So I'd like to know more about your country, Brazil. If you may go ahead, I'm okay with it.
Actually, none of us are from Brazil. She's a Brazilian.
You are tired? Oh my God. Okay, let me warm you up. How are you doing?
No, you come.
You adopted me?
Adotada.
Ronaldo
and Ronaldinho.
I grew up watching. I was a big fan of this man.
Ronaldo
and I'm still. Wow. I know. I like it. You see?
Thank you. Embaixadinha. Talentosa.
We are in China, here at Jungwachua Medashwe. So people are showcasing their culture through dancing, through food, through art, through songs. Everything is here. Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby guy. How are you? Ni hao. Oh, 我是赖德里，你呢？ Oh, can you dance for me? Dance, just like this. Okay, go. Yeah, it's okay.
So beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Money from Namibia! Hi! How are things going, bro?
So far so good.
Okay. How do you feel to be here?
I just arrived now from crowd. It's a bit there, and then I can see that everybody is interested in exploring, especially the continent of Africa. You see so many stalls. So interesting, beautiful dress.
Yeah.
So I still want to explore more to see the stalls, different stalls, and what they are selling. I just arrived here.
I'm from Namibia.
Yeah, I'm from
The
Namibia.
chief
Yes,
of the
chairman.
community. The only man. Oh, thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay. Let's
Yeah, we're going to buy another place. Yeah. Someone
We're going to Malaysia.